Why do Brazil nuts rise to the top of a packet? Have you ever wondered why, when you reach into a bag of mixed nuts, the Brazil nuts are always at the top? It's a phenomenon that has puzzled many, and it's not just limited to nuts. It also happens with cereal boxes, and even in some industrial settings. To understand this, let's look at what scientists have discovered. Researchers at the University of Manchester conducted an experiment to figure out why this happens. They used a combination of peanuts and Brazil nuts, starting with the Brazil nuts at the bottom of the packet. Here's the key part. When the packet is shaken, the Brazil nuts initially lie horizontally. However, as the shaking continues, these nuts start bumping into the peanuts around them. These collisions cause the Brazil nuts to rotate and eventually point upward. Once the Brazil nuts are vertical, something interesting happens. The space around them opens up, allowing the smaller peanuts to tumble down. As more peanuts collect at the bottom, they push the Brazil nuts upward. This process repeats with each shake, gradually moving the Brazil nuts to the top. Using advanced imaging techniques like time-lapse 3D X-ray scans, the researchers were able to track the motion of individual nuts as the packet was shaken. This allowed them to see exactly how the Brazil nuts moved past the peanuts to rise to the top. For instance, in one experiment, the first Brazil nut reached the top 10% of the packet after about 70 shakes, while the other two Brazil nuts took around 150 shakes to get there. This detailed observation helped scientists understand that the orientation of the Brazil nut is crucial for its upward movement. This discovery isn't just interesting for nut enthusiasts. It has practical applications too. Understanding why particles separate by size can help engineers design better equipment to avoid this issue in various industries, such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, and even mining. For example, ensuring an even distribution of active ingredients in medicinal tablets or achieving uniform mixtures in food products becomes much easier with this knowledge. So the next time you reach into a bag of mixed nuts and find those big Brazil nuts at the top, you'll know it's not just luck, it's the result of a fascinating physical process.